Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a makeup look, so let's jump into it one time. I already prepped my eyebrows and my face. Let's get into the eyes. Today is a quick process. Hardly speaking today. Let's just focus on doing the makeup today. Well, actually, I did my eyebrows off camera. I will do a video on my eyebrows and eyelashes. I will have to do a 2023 updated eyebrows and eyelashes, so look out for that for the next video. So you see it done prep. Let's go into the eyeshadow now. I'm using P. Louise base in Ruma 2. What I did, I used P. Louise base Ruma 5, put some over Ruma 2, and I pat it out evenly on my eyelids. Guys, I'm giving you all a tip. When you all patting out the eyeshadow primer, and sometimes when you're moving up your eye, it is crease. You just take back the brush before you apply the eyeshadow, and you just pat it out back smoothly. The eyeshadow will apply evenly. I'm going in with the New Brion by Juvia's palette 2, and I am using Madagascar. That will be my transition eyeshadow. If you have noticed, I have not put any powder over the eyeshadow primer. I just went in with the eyeshadow, so it will stick when I tapping it in and it will not move. I'm just using the excess eyeshadow with a clean brush, and I'm just blowing it out at the hash lines. I'm going in with Kenya and put some in the crease. Now I'm finished. Blend out Madagascar and Kenya together, and now I'm going on cut the crease. I have no idea what color I'm putting on the crease, but let's cut the crease. Okay, I'm using some micellar water and a Q-tip to cut the crease. Now, what color to go in with? I will use this palette, the Magic Mini by Juvia's. This one. and I will go into a Jadi. It's a royal blue. So I will use this color. Let me just pat out the crease. Guys, who remember this palette? Fenty first palette that she bring out, what Rihanna bring out. I still have this palette, and it have two color, blue in it here that I like, which is the light, and the navy blue, to see how it will look. I finished the next side. So what I did in the Fenty palette, I used this shade and I just drop it in the crease like this to get that glow. So now let's move on to the face. When I finished with the face, I went on the eyelashes, liquid eyeliner, and so forth. To my waterline, I want to use white pencil. Let's do that one time. You see what white pencil I have here. The Pore Professional Pore Primer by Benefit. I am literally gonna prime my face. Black opal stick in hazelnut. Contour my face. Forever Skin Concealer, and I'm using Superstay, Maybelline Superstay Concealer as well. I finish blend out my foundation, cream contour and concealer. Now I'm going to bronze my face and put on some highlighter powder. And then I'm using the shade right here. and I'm going in with my sponge and tap it in. Put some eyeshadow underneath the waterlines. I'm going back into this palette. Now I'm going to put some blush highlighter and do my lips. We coming to come. Sephora Hot Flash. Just putting some highlighter on my nose bridge and that's it. I'm just using a brown pencil and I'm using this inside. This is Can Buy by Bagel. Jollilicious lip gloss on my lips. So guys, this is the final look of the makeup. I'm going in with my Fix Plus as well. Whew. Yeah, baby. I'm going to fix myself and I'll come back. This is the final product. I put some earrings up on the top to match with the eyes. I didn't have no idea I was going with blue, but actually I put on blue on my eyelids, which is the eyeshadow. And yeah, this is it. So let me just zoom in so you can see the final touch on the blue makeup look. I like how it came out. I am shocked. I just go with the flow tonight. I didn't have an idea what eyeshadow to pick. I know I wanted to do something brown to the crease, but I don't know what to pick, what color to pick to put on the eyelids. First, let me tell you all this. First time I'm trying how to apply my foundation this way. Usually I put foundation on, concealer and contour after, and then bronze it and then put on the highlighter. If you realize, I put on the contour first, the highlighter after, and then I put on my foundation in between, and I saw a difference. I get a flawless look. My face have a little bit of foundation on it. So from now on, I'm trying it this way. I will keep on practicing and try this way until I get it to perfection. But I find it came out good for my first time. I'm trying this the first time on camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on your notification bell and share. Sharing is caring. Guys, I almost reached 300. Please and subscribe. I want to reach 300 subscribers by the ending of this month, and it will be nice if you all share my videos. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoy this video. Next video I'm going to upload, I want to do eyebrows, updated eyebrows, and to apply your eyelashes for 2023, so look out for that. Bye.